how to type superscript with your keyboard. This entire superscript is typed with keyboard without inserting any formula. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. To enter a superscript with keyboard, we're going to use this function, which is Ctrl plus Shift plus equal to. So let's say we want to type x squared plus y squared equal to 12. To type this, let's first type our x value plus then y equal to 12. Now we want to insert our square sign. Position the pointer to the area you want to insert the square sign. Then long press on Ctrl Shift equal to. Automatically the pointer shape will change. Then I can insert my square sign here. Then again in front of the y, I'm going to position the pointer there. Then long press on the Ctrl Shift and equal sign again, and then enter your square. That's it. We are done with the first part of the equation. So to enter the second part of the equation, we're going to enter 4 then equal to 61. To enter the superscript in front of the 4, we're going to make use of the Ctrl plus Shift plus equal sign again. Then now we can enter our 2x minus y. That's it. We have successfully typed your superscript with keyboard. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.